Hello YouTube, this is John from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul, small haul from Tuesday Morning and Michael's. Very small haul. So just had to go back and get some more blades, the Fiskars blades, and some more of the tape for my ATG. And this was picked up for someone else, and it was still on clearance for $1 and I think 62 cents. For this, sorry, it's my laptop telling me the time in Hebrew. This is 11-piece die set, and this goes with the animation die cut, the animation stamps. So I picked it up from someone. I keep forgetting to show this. I got this on clearance from Tuesday Morning, and this is just one of those. It's like, I think it was purple. I think it was. When I got it, I think it was 60% off, 40%, I can't remember. Because sometimes purple means one thing, sometimes it means something else. They change it up. But I think it was at least 40, maybe 60% off. I think it was 60 though. But anyway, you can hang this on your wall and just put some clips on it. So I got this for my craft room, but I think I may use it for my office at work. I haven't decided yet, so I'm still baiting. Because I need some stuff on my wall. You know, I don't like some just the plain good art. The cheesy kind of art that gets you in your office space. But anyway, let's see. So this is what I got from Michael's. Just a small little haul. I picked up, it was a lot of lemon, I want to say lemon drop, but it's lemon love items. I just got, it was a good price too. So I did get 2 of the ball and chain. They were $1.19. You really couldn't beat that. So 6 chains in here. 12 connectors and a 6-foot chains for $1.18. 212-9717. And that's in silver. And then I also got those 2 in gold, the same dimension, 6 feet and 12 connectors for $1.18. 212-9718. And then they had 2 of the fasteners, and it's 30 piece for $1.19. 212-9812. You see what those look like. And then they had the crimp beads, and it was 200 pieces for $1.18, and 212-9807. So it's a good price on those. And then I feel like I'm missing something, but I think I had it on the video. They had some longer tassels for $1.99, and these were I showed you the black and white ones, so these are some of the colored ones that they have. I didn't see the metallic ones that I saw somebody else have. But the yellow, pink, and red, and peach, 212-9796, 10 pieces. And then the blue, green, and purple is 212-9795. So again, 10 pieces each. You can use these in a lot of different things. These are rayon. I did pick up the charm set they have for $1.19, 212-9722. And let me just take this out so I can really see what's up under the sticker, because I couldn't see what that one is. So these again dangles that you could attach to any project as well. Oh, it's a little heart. So you have underwear, boys underwear, I don't know, lips. And this one says slay it clean. And this one says Bay, and it says Oh Snap. So again, these are some little dangles you can attach to any little project, even with one of your tassels, and put that there. So I did pick up the Pink Paisley by Paige Evans ephemera, and this one is 40 pieces, and it is $1.99, 2122403. And cute little pieces, you can see them right there. Nice color scheme as well. They brought back a whole bunch of the Faith Illustrated, and I picked a couple pieces up to share. And so this one is She Blooms, 214-6942 for $1.49, and that's what those paper clips look like. And this one is Seeds of Faith, 214-6943, and that's what they look like. And last but not least is You're Loved, and it's 214-6971. And this was another Bright and Brave ephemera pack for $1.49.